and reviewing this VATOS RC cooler.
This RC car is 1/18th scale, got rubber tyres, 4-wheel drive, and it has an all or nothing steering, which means it is a toy grade RC car. I'm going to give you a brief overview of what it contains. So you start the blue string as the start line, got some twigs and ditches and roots to get over, more roots here and just a reef flat bit. Then you've got a ditch and another route, so that's going to be quite hard to get over for the VATOS RC car. Then you've got more routes, you have to go over both of these, more routes, then just say easy, flat, straight, one twig there, should be easy. Then you have the mold berm, and you go up this bit here, so you have to go through here and up through there, so that's going to be hard for the VATOS. And it's going to be an uphill stretch. It's going to be probably the hardest bit for it, as it doesn't really show on camera, but it's very uphill. And there's just more roots and bumps and lumps, and then more roots. Then once you get to the top, it's just the finish is just up this there. Is the finish line of the course. So anyway, let's just get straight into the first challenge with Ewan at the starting line with the VATOS RC car. Ewan just lining up, getting ready for the race. So I say we go when you're ready, Ewan.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so just gone straight over, great start. It's a bit stuck there, all along to the roots, having to reverse, doing really good on this car. Straight around the berm. Okay, this is the big challenge for the RC car. Can it make it over, getting slightly beached? You have to get that right angle for the RC car. Can it get over? I'll be very amazed because this is a very good value for RC car here. Struggling a bit, if you can't get over then you just have to lift it over. Very close though. Oh, and it makes it over. Well done you and to the driver. Straight up the hill climb, can it make it? Picking the easiest route there. Straight up. Still going. Still going. Can it make it all the way to the finish? Still going. In a time of 1:08.9. This is a very good run by the VATOS. Now it's my turn to go, so Ewan set a good time, so just head straight into my round. Before we go into my round, we're going to give Ewan the driver a quick interview on his run with the RC car. So how do you think it went?
I think like it's such a good like RC for the price, and I think I did quite well at the beginning bit, but like when you get to the second half, it gets really tricky, especially like this bit. There's no really correct route of how to get around, and then as soon as you complete that, you have to go straight up steep incline. It's even got challenges on the incline as well, so it's gonna be like see how Oscar does and see how it goes really.
Thank you for the interview.
Okay, Oscar is about to get going with the VATOS in 3, 2, 1, go. We are already off, and the fast RC it is. It's going to be going faster and faster each difficulty it comes to. It's just going to hopefully get around. We are already at the hardest part of the course. Can Oscar do it, or will he have to take outside route? It's quite a struggle. This is pretty much the hardest part of the course here. Getting up there. There's nothing you can really do apart from keep trying different angles. And come on, almost up. There we go. The power of the VATOS RC. Getting up. And it starts to incline. You need to pick the right route here, otherwise you're gonna get stuck in these small routes. Okay, it's struggling now. It's struggling. Oscar's trying to find the right route for it, and just about, no, he's reversed it. Can he get up? No, it just keeps on falling down, ladies and gentlemen. Just about now starting the huge incline upwards. He's trying to reverse it out of any difficulties nearby. It seems to be working. I mean, he's getting up there nice and quickly on route now to the final stretch across this huge lumping ground. And come on, can he get to it? Across the line, ladies and gentlemen, in a time of 1 minute and 44 seconds. Okay, alright, the review is Oscar. How do you think you found the hard course?
So I did really well in the first half, but then it was just that bit there I really couldn't get over. Didn't quite have enough power. Had to get the right line. Then on the steep incline again, like where that bit of flint is, as you can see, it was just the steering just wasn't working for me. So I don't know what was going on, but I just couldn't get the right angle on the car. So obviously Ewan won the round, so well done to him. But I think it was a strong performance, but just couldn't be good.
So we've just done the run of the course at both of us, and we're just gonna get a quick review of this car. At the moment, we're going to go into some other challenges in a minute, but for now, we just like to point out that with this car in general, the lever here just keeps them going to the right, so remember to keep that in the centre. I don't know if this is just a fault for this car, but hopefully not. And the battery pack comes with, actually kind of hard to get in, so yeah, just some advice from us to not worry about breaking the battery cord, because it's a bit of a struggle to get in there. But in general, I think this is like a really powerful RC car, and getting over that alone is like really tricky. So I think that like generally there's not much fault on this car at the moment. We're gonna keep going with some more challenges, and yeah, let's get with challenge number 2. Okay, so whilst we're changing batteries, just have a brief talk about it and how to like change batteries as well. So I think with batteries, obviously this one is 3 batteries which you can fit in there, but the original one that came with it is a 4 battery replacement one. So in general, I think the batteries, like if you have multiple RCs, are very common, so like you can use multiple instead of like buying like loads. And also with 4 batteries trying to fit in here, you think the wire is going to break. I think I mentioned this earlier, but yeah, don't be scared to like break it, because it doesn't. I tested it out already and used it multiple times. But yeah, I think that's all you have to do. So all you have to do to change is pin it down, and then you've got it open, and then to change it you just have to do the same but plug it in. And I think it's really good with this car, it comes with this screwdriver for the battery, and not many RCs do that. And again, for the price, it's like really worth it, especially for like a starter RC. Okay, I'm going to show you like what I mean though about the batteries. It's really hard to like get in. Like you have to somehow like put it in like that or something, and just slot it down the side. So yeah, it's really hard to get in, but yeah, let's head into the next challenge. Now we've got the battery, and we're going to head into the next challenge, which is the hill climb. And now we've changed the batteries, look at the steering, it's like a lot better. So if you're having problems with the car, always remember to fully charge your batteries or change it if you have.
Ewan, down at the bottom, we're just going to start the hill climb. So Ewan, go in 3, 2, 1, go. You start the hill climb. Very frantic start. First obstacle here, the route straight over that one. Slowing up a little bit on the steeper part course. Straight up, still continuing to go up this really steep hill. Nearly got to the top before it got stuck on the hardest part, which is the bricks. Can he get over that though? Getting beached mildly. Trying to go back down. Going to, oh no, Ewan resolved the problem. Can he get up? Very hard part of the course is the hardest part of the course. Beach once again. Nearly up, and Ewan, so close, very close to the top. Still continuing to make its way up. And it's picking a different path now. Can he make, so close, so close, so close. Small reverse, and can he get that power he needs? Oh, so close. And straight over and across the finish line. It did make it up the hill eventually. A bit of a struggle on the top, but it did seem to make it. So anyway, we're going to hop straight into our next challenge right away. We've just arrived at the car park, so here we are. We're going to go straight into a race with the RC Crawler versus the Race Star LaFerrari RC car. So we're just going to do a race to the curb in line with Ewan's phone. So let's just hop straight into it. So 3, 2, 1, go. So, crawler kind of at the back there. Ferrari takes the win. Crawler not far behind, but a strong performance by the crawler. It wasn't as close as I thought, but the Ferrari does take the win.
Range test now for probably one of the final challenges. So yeah, we've got it lined up further back because we think this is going to make it all the way down there. So let's see what it's going to do, because it is cooler, so you're meant to follow it really. So let's see how long the range is.
Just run out, which is unfortunate, so we're just going to have to go straight to the
So
montage.
of course, as you can see, it did run out, so we're going to get some more videos of it soon, and some more general driving footage, you know, in the woods. Got some more locations to go to with it, like probably some more new RC coolers coming up soon as well. So look forward to that. Let's head to the montage. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Lots more content coming soon. See you in the next one.